Guys, Presidential Decree 1829 na obstruction of justice, criminalizing obstruction, apprehension, and prosecution of the criminal offenders. Now therefore, Ferdinand Marcos, President of the Philippines, by virtue of the powers vested in me by law, do hereby decree and order. Obstruction of justice ay isang halimbawa na may pulis. Hinahanap nila yung nakagawa ng krimen. Tapos, tinanong kanila kung nasaan yung nakagawa ng krimen. Siyempre, kamag-anak mo, halimbawa. Ngayon, hindi mo sinabi, nasa loob pala ng bahay mo. Ayun ang isa sa mga halimbawa ng obstruction of justice. Kumbaga, itinago mo. Kasi pinipigilan mo yung law enforcer na humuhuli dun sa tao. Nililito mo ang kumbaga investigasyon. The penalty of prison correctionality is maximum period or fine ranging from 1,000 to 6,000 pesos. Both shall be imposed upon any person who knowingly with willfully obstructs, impedes, frustrates, or delays the apprehension of suspect and the investigation and prosecution of the criminal cases by committing any of the following acts.